How to delete and remove your account on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click right here and click now on settings and privacy. After you click on settings and privacy, click settings, click on your Facebook information right here. Now all what you have to do is go down here and you will find the activation and deletion. Choose delete account down here, the second option. Click continue, and now as you can see, you can choose to deactivate account messenger, can download your information, or just delete without anything. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.